Hello everyone, welcome back. So let's see few more functions in the stream uh, API. So what I have is I have a list of employees again, and what I want to do, I will first convert it to stream, okay, and then there is a function called limit, and if we see what it does, it accepts long and returns a string consisting of the element of this string truncated to be no longer than the max size in length. So what we are doing is, for example, in our case, say for example, if the length of the string is 10 and I just want to use maybe first 3 4 or 5, I can limit it. Okay, so I can just give some number, maybe 4, and then I just want to print it. Let's print it. Let's run this, and I'm getting only 4 results. Let me change it to 2. So basically what we are doing is we are just limiting the number of times it should traverse to. Okay, the second one is skip. So let's try skip, and let's see what it does. If we see the documentation, it returns a stream consisting of the remaining elements of this stream after discarding the first n elements of the stream. Okay, so whatever number I will specify, it will just skip those elements, and after that it will traverse. So for example, in our case, the first two element, which will be this one and this entry, will be skipped, and it will start printing from here. Okay, let's run it. Okay, so Sam and Ram both are skipped. Okay, let's try with maybe 5. So first 5 entries, 1 2 3 4 and 5, so it is starting with 20. Okay, so this is how we can skip it. And even we can have uh, more than one method is also applied. So for example, I want to skip it, and then I want to limit it, right? So that is also possible. I will just add it here. So for example, I want to skip first 5, and then I want to limit it to 1. So this is also possible. Okay, next one is max. Okay, so let's try that. So max, and of course it should accept comparator, and it should have a comparing method also, then comparing, yes, and then it should accept on which attribute I want to compare it against. So for example, I want to compare it against maybe salary. So using method reference, get salary, correct, and then I just want to, okay, this is max. It means I'm going to take the maximum, so there is no point I will write the for each loop, right? So I will just maybe print it, and let me copy this whole string from here to here. Yeah, let's comment it out. And it's on age, sorry, it's on salary, so maximum salary is 80,000, right? Maybe let's have it on age. Let's run it again and see that maximum age is 35. So we have, I think, more than one entry for 35, or no, only one. That is fine. Okay, max is also done. Similar way, minimum. And it's just the reverse way. So the minimum will be picked. Yeah. So 60,000 is the minimum. No, sorry, age. 20 is the minimum. Let's have it on salary also one more time, just to be very, very sure. Yeah, salary 50,000 is the minimum here, correct? Okay, and find any. So again, I will just employee dot stream and dot find any. And if you see the documentation, it says return an optional describing some element of the stream, or an empty optional if the stream is empty. Okay, so what it does, if it will just check if the list is not empty or not. If it is, if there is even a single entry, then it should return true. So I'll just print it here and let's run it. And it is giving me optional, I mean, because there is some value, so it will just pick any of the attribute, any one of the attribute, and then it will show. Let's just try. So what I'm going to do, I will just create another list, and this time I will not have any value to it. It will be just empty list. I will just give it a blank employees, and if I just run this find any on this, it should give me empty as per the documentation. Yeah, I'm getting optional empty. Okay, so that's it in this video. Stay connected, let's explore more methods in the next video.